Okay, today's enrichment game is using a picnic blanket. I haven't actually used this one for an enrichment game for him before because we had a different one before. I just got a new one, so I'm going to use this. So obviously you first need to unroll it, and it's just a case of putting treats in it and folding it back up, which can be a challenge in itself. Right, let's do it. Just some pork pieces, and I'm also going to put some nice treats in there for him. Not that pork isn't nice, but he prefers duck treats. I'm going to put a couple of those in as well. Those are the ones he'll really work hard for. So I'm just going to pop them underneath. In each layer. So you can see there's another layer here. So it's very similar to the one you can buy that is a big mat with a couple of little pockets, but I just think that the way that these fold is quite unique and makes for a fun game for him. See?